Yo, what's going on, guys? In this video, we're going to be doing Texte from HackMyVM. This is a box for developed medium. And yeah, hope you guys enjoy. Alright, so I'm starting running a netdiscover -r 10.0.0.1 /24/IT0. Doing this, we do get the IP of the box 10.0.0.245. So I'm going to start by running nmap scan. So I'll do nmap -c for default scripts, -z for enumeration, and scan all ports in the IP. Doing this, I'm going to go to netcam-sendv on port 80, basically a banner grab. It does seem like port is open for HTTP, right? So I'm going to start by visiting the IP address. And here it is telling us to not upload PHP files. So I'm going to start by doing some enumeration. And what I'm looking for right now is see if there's like a file location for where the files are uploaded, right? So I'm going to go to gobuster mode -u, enter the IP address -w for /user share word list. We do gobuster directory list to medium.txt. We'll do extensions as HTML, TXT, and also PHP. So it does seem like there's only index.html and also an upload.php. So it doesn't seem like there's like a directory for where the files are uploaded, right? I'm guessing there must be filtering for not uploading .php files. So if there is filtering for .php, then I'm probably just going to upload an image file, right? So I'm just going to search up like php rev shell and get the reverse shell from pentest monkey, right? So I'm going to go to php reverse shell.php and go to raw data. Copy link location. I'm just going to wget this onto my own machine. So wget this. So in this case, I'm not going to be setting my IP address for this reverse shell. The reason for that is because we don't have like I said, we don't have an upload folder. So there's no way to execute the PHP reverse shell, right? So I'm just going to send this within burp. I'm going to go to browse, go to other locations, go to backup, HackMyVM, Texte, and we'll get the PHP reverse shell.php, right? So I'm going to send this within burp, turn it on proxy, start our burp. Go to close, next, start a burp. Doing this, I'm going to go to proxy, go to options, set this as my specific address, go to OK, intercept this, go to upload, send this within repeater. And we're going to see if we can upload or bypass the file upload rate. Because right now it's showing a file not upload. So another thing we can do is we can start by specifying like PHP version. So we'll do PHP 5 or do like PHP 4. Another thing I like doing is setting for the capital letter for PH, for like having the capital letter for H. I'm going to send that. It doesn't seem to work right. So I'm going to go back to PHP. I'm going to start by adding like a GIF 98, I believe it's GIF 89A header. Send this. Doesn't seem to work right. I'm also going to change the application type to image JPEG. Image / I believe it's a JPEG. We can send this. It doesn't seem like file is uploaded, right? So I'm going to go online, just go to image, download. I'm just going to go to JPEG. We'll go to unsplash.com. Let's see, we'll just get a random photo here. Go to download for free. Go to save image. Okay. I'm going to Control-Shift-C. We're going to copy from root. We'll go to downloads. Here we do have car.jpg image here. We can just copy here. And we do have our image, right? So I'm going to go back over here, turn this on and off, go to browse, upload our JPEG image, go to proxy, upload this, send this within repeater. And it does seem like this image is too large, right? Since it's too large, I'm just going to get an image off Google. So I'll just go to images. We'll see. Let's see if we can find one. We'll just find this JPEG image right here. Go to copy link, copy image location. Right now I'm looking for like a .jpeg, which we do have a .jpeg extension. So I'm going to get this. We do have that. So I'm going to go to here, go to browse, do this one, go to proxy. Turn this on and off. Upload this. Send this into repeater. Send this. And just show the file is uploaded, right? So doing this, I'm gonna see if I can change this to like .php, which wouldn't matter, since it is already kind of the content type is image.jpg, right? We could change the content also, but like I said, there's no file upload, so there's no directory for like where it's stored. So I'm just going to change this to JPEG, right? So this was a JPEG. I'm also going to see if we can test for like injection here. So I'm just going to do :id. We can send this. Doing this, I'm going to do dub data. And it does seem like we do get the ID for dub data, right? So just to make this easier, I'm just going to take off the file name, do ID. I'm also going to do like an ls-la. Send this. And you do see that we do get the list of files, right? Doing this, if I do like an ls-la on /etc password, you do see that the cat, it doesn't do like an ls-la on /etc password, right? The reason for that is because we do have spaces. So for this, there must be some type of filtering for this. So I'm just going to do like an ls-la and, like the and lets you run 2 commands. Doing this, so I'm just going to do and id, send this, and you do see that we do get the list of files and also get dub data, right? If you go to payload all the things, so if you go to payload all of the things, you do see we can do like, if we go to command injection, if we go to chaining commands, I believe. Chaining commands, here we go. So in this case, you do see that we did use the and to do another command. You can also do like pipe, or you can use like double pipe ls. Which is basically the same one as the first one, right? So you can use like changing commands to run different commands, but it won't let you do like an ls-la on /etc password because there is a space, right? Looking at the files, we do have a file as this right here, so I'm just going to cat this out. So I'm just going to run cat, send this, and it does seem like we do get a user as Kamila and also a password, right? So I'm just going to copy this, put this in my text editor. I'm going to see if I can try to SSH with Kamila at 10.0.0, 10.0245. Let me just remove the SSH keygen. Type in yes, and we also did have a password here as this. Copy this, do Control-V. Clear my terminals, and we do get a long SSL, right? All right, so looking at our IDs, and it doesn't seem like we don't have any Docker or LXC, so I'm just gonna do ls-la. I'm gonna cat my user.txt, and there's our user.txt, right? Doing some manual enumeration, I'm gonna go under /opt, and it does seem like we do have a SUID, that's it, as Texte, right? So I'm just gonna run this, and it does seem like it's running the mail command. Just to confirm this, I'm also gonna run like a strings under this. Looking up here, you do see that we do have a file path for user bit and mail. So you do know that this is running mail, right? It's using the -s option. So we'll just do mail minus help. And you do see that this is running -s for the subject, right? So just specifying the subject as this, and for Kamila at localhost, right? We can also do like a path manipulation if this wasn't running a path, right, to mail. So clearing this, clear my terminals here. We do know this is running the mail command, so I'm just going to search up mail execute commands. I'm just going to go this one here. We'll see if we can go to this one here. Yeah, so this is the one. So scrolling down, here we can execute a command here. So it does show execute the shell command which falls, right? So we can basically use this explanation point with to execute a shell command which will falls, right? Or this followed by a command, right? So it can be cat bin/bash. We can probably make an SUID bitset, or just run a bin/bash, right, to as root, since this is being run by root, right? Since this is a SUID bitset, this is always being ran by root. So let's try that, right? But before doing that, we do need to make a file. So if we go to like file types, if you scroll down here, files, here we go. We go to files here. Here we do have a mail or .mailrc. This is a file giving initial mail commands. So before the mail command is ran, we are given, it goes to the mail.rc. Mail is going to go to the mail.rc under the home directory and look at the mail commands, right? Since we can execute commands and this is being ran by root, so I'm just going to cd I'm just going to nano into dot, I believe is mail.rc. I think it's mail.rc. Mailrc. We can just do explanation point. I'm just going to do ID. I'm going to go under /op Texte. And you do see that we do get the ID. It did run the ID command, and now that we are under root, right? I'm going to go under there. I'm just going to delete this. I'm just going to make a SUID bit set. So I'll do a chmod +s for /bin/bash. We can run this. We do ls-a. Let me just clear my terminals here. We can do ls-a on /bin/bash. And now you do see that this is a SUID bit set, right? So I'm just going to run a bin/bash. We'll do -p. We do ID. Now we are under root. ls. We can cat our root.txt, right? Another way you can do this is by running a, if I edit the mail.rc or mailrc, I can just run a bin/bash on here. So we can do bin/bash, run the opt Texte, and you see that we're under root. So we can cd into root. ls, and we can cat our root.txt. Well guys, that's pretty much in the video. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.